Om Shanti. Dear divine friends and well-wishers, today's moral is love, respect and helping each other is the real and practical worshipping of divine supreme power or God or Lord. Today's question is, how can you do the real practical worshipping of divine supreme power or God or Lord in day-to-day busy schedule? My answer is, dear divine friends and well-wishers, your personality, character and behavior should give a divine message to the humanities. Your soul, mind, body and divine actions should set a real and practical example to the humanities. As you know that divine supreme power or God or Lord is omnipresence, omniscience, omnipotence and ocean of love. Being a soul, you are the entity of God. All souls of human beings are the divine rays of God, all divine drops of ocean of love. As you know that God is an ocean of love. God loves, cares and helps his all souls and his creations. Also you know that God is nature. Every individual being realizes God's presence in the form of nature. In short, you can say that God is nature and nature is God. You also know that love is the nature of soul. Love rises your soul to the ocean of love. That is God or Lord or divine supreme power. So you can do the real practical worshipping of divine supreme power or God or Lord in day-to-day busy schedule by following ways. First, Love, respect, and help yourself. Love, respect, and help your family. Love, respect, and help your nation. Love, respect, and help whole of the world. Above all, love, respect, and help all living beings. You should love, respect, and help each other. Love, respect, and helping each other is the real and practical worshipping of divine supreme power or God or Lord. You must help each other. If you cannot help each other, then who will help you and others? An animal will not coming to help a human. A human will have to come for helping human beings. If a human will not come to help a human, then nobody will come to help him. Remember, if you cannot help human being, then nobody will come to help you. So dear friends, love yourself, love each other, and going on spreading love among human beings. Second, you should become courteous by nature to every individual beings, because God is omnipresence. Here, courteous means you should pay respect to his or her personality created by God. Third, you should serve poor people. You should help orphans and crushed people. You must rise the level of humanities in every individual being wherever you can. Thus, you will increase your level of humanities by serving God, because you will do your duties with more good intentions than your rights, which will ultimately lead you to enter inside your soul world of real love, real peace, and real happiness called heaven. Have a good day. Om Shanti.